Hello all, welcome to my channel Home Gupshup. Thanks very much for joining me today. A not so much talked about section of our house, the bathroom, is rather an unusual space that I'm going to be showing to you all today with some highlights of organizing ideas.
You have always known when I need you the most. Oh, 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 oh. My best friend God sent my own good fortune. You know you are my double flame whisper, my soulmate sister. You know you are.
We begin and end our day with this room and yet give it lesser attention than the other rooms. All one needs to do is maintain, clean and redo the space every once in a while, just like we do with the other areas in our home. When it comes to organizing a space, very often we forget to ask what we actually need in the space to begin with. Keep as few items out on the counters as possible and use a tray to collect and display products that you do want out. This creates a tidier look and makes it easier to clear off your counters for cleaning.
How far do you think you can run, standing on your knees? It's a beautiful world out there, just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening, it's something you don't know. You need a little enlightening.
Folding towels neatly can make a great deal of difference in the way the washrooms look. I guess that's why hotels pay so much attention to it. Same goes for the way our bed sheets are tucked, but we can talk about that some other day.
Are on the table, the floor has been swept. It's closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I've slept. The things are moving forward, I'm ready to move on, heading for a brand new start at the break of dawn. Here I come, you better watch out. Better beware, the rumor is out. Nothing can stop me, I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold. Here I come, you better watch out. You better beware, the rumor is out. Nothing can stop me, I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold.
Everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness
once a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
Having an organized bathroom can really help to speed things up when it comes to getting ready, and it makes cleaning up so much easier. A clutter-free bathroom space means lesser stress when starting the day. Who couldn't use a little more relaxation in their day?
Shine much brighter.